Hey, Mike here, Riverview Turfworks. Do you want to see what $8,900 worth of landscaping gets you in the Fort Smith, Arkansas area? Let's take a look at it. So this job consisted of ripping out the old existing flower bed here in the front yard, including all the plants and all the flower bed borders that they had installed, installing all new, as well as two downspout extensions here in the front, one off this downspout, one off this downspout over here. Give you a little idea here what that looks like. There's a pop-up right here for the downspout, and it goes underneath the ground all the way to here to let all the water evacuate into the yard instead of washing out all your mulch inside the beds. We installed over 50 plants here in this landscaping bed, including new metal flower bed edging and new LED landscaping lights as well, okay? We've worked with the owner on their preferred design using their preferred plants. They were really into azaleas and they did not want anything that was super tall. So we went with a bunch of small encore azaleas that will bloom both coral colored and white, as well as a few decently tall plants. We have a laura petalum right here and a couple hydrangeas. Those both get about 4 feet, 5 feet tall. We also have a few nandinas and abelas scattered in here, as well as some variegated ornamental grasses. They preferred red mulch, so that's what we went with. Prior to any of this work being done, we did provide the owners with a 2D rendering, letting them see approximately what this new landscape will look like before it was installed. And after a little bit of back and forth on different types of plants and different color blooms, we settled on this design and they love it. The transformer box for the lights, we were able to put over here with the rest of their electrical stuff. Right here, those lights come on automatically, turn on in the evening, go off in the morning, and it's going to really light this place up nice, give it a real nice ambience, as well as a safety factor also. In addition to the landscaping that we did in the front, we did a 100-foot long downspout extension French drain here in the rear. So this particular downspout here, and this one here off this corner, goes 100 feet here, underground, into the woods back there to evacuate their runoff from the house underneath the ground with no washing out issues. I will mention here that we did not install the hay or the seed back here. The owner did that. I'll also mention that we typically always put these drains underground. However, in this situation, they have a propane gas line going to this generator that's not buried very deep, so the homeowner preferred that we run it above ground right up against the house, which is what we did per their recommendation. We can do anything to help you out. Fort Smith, Van Buren, Alma, Greenwood, riverviewturfworks.com. I'm Mike, 479-235-1390. We do landscaping, we do sod, we do irrigation, we do landscape lighting, we do drains. Let us help you out. You're gonna love us. Thanks.